Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we break down the syllabus for the SAP Certified Application Associate for SAP S/4HANA Sourcing and Procurement so you know exactly what to study and how much time to plan. The exam covers 10 domains with the following weights: Procurement Processes 13%, Valuation and Account Determination 13%, Purchasing Optimization 13%, Inventory Management and Physical Inventory 10%, Master Data 10%, Configuration of Purchasing 10%, Invoice Verification 10%, Sources of Supply 7%, Enterprise Structure and Business Processes 7%, and SAP S/4HANA User Experience 7%. Each domain lists focus areas, difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment types. I will summarize what you need to learn in each area and highlight the most important topics to prioritize. Procurement Processes is weighted at 13% and focuses on standard and specialized procurement workflows in SAP S/4HANA. This domain is medium difficulty with an estimated 14 hours of study and is assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn operational procurement for stock and consumable materials, procurement of external services, stock transfer with delivery, subcontracting and pipeline processes, the automated procurement cycle, processing of purchase requisitions, and monitoring of procurement documents. Mastering these workflows helps you design efficient end-to-end procurement processes in S/4HANA. Valuation and Account Determination also carries 13% and covers integration between materials management and financial accounting. This is a hard domain with about 18 hours of learning time and requires both hands-on and conceptual understanding. Expect to configure automatic account determination, compare standard and moving average price control, work with material ledger functionality, and set up valuation at plant and company code levels. You will also learn account grouping for movement types, manage price changes and inventory value adjustments, and configure split valuation scenarios. Purchasing Optimization is 13% of the exam and focuses on efficiency tools and advanced purchasing functionalities. This medium difficulty domain requires about 12 hours of study and is assessed with scenario-based questions. You will learn management of scheduling agreements, contract management including value and quantity contracts, automated purchase order creation, invoicing plans for services and materials, and use of blanket purchase orders. The domain also covers optimization of the purchasing process flow and how to use document types to streamline procurement. Inventory Management and Physical Inventory is weighted at 10% and covers stock movements, goods movements, and inventory auditing. This medium difficulty area needs around 15 hours of study and includes hands-on and conceptual assessment types. You will practice processing goods receipts and goods issues, transfer postings and stock transfers, reservation management, and physical inventory procedures including cycle counting. The syllabus also covers special stocks and consignment inventory, configuration of movement types, and inventory sampling and adjustments. Master Data accounts for 10% and focuses on core data objects for sourcing and procurement. This easy domain takes about 8 hours of study and is assessed conceptually and with scenario-based questions. You will learn the business partner approach for suppliers, material master record views and key fields, purchasing info records management, and sourcing and condition master data. The syllabus also includes the service master and maintenance of supplier master data to ensure correct transactional behavior. Configuration of Purchasing is 10% and covers customizing the procurement environment. This hard domain needs approximately 16 hours of study and combines hands-on and conceptual assessment types. You will configure document types and number ranges, set up release procedures with and without classification, and control field selection for purchasing documents. Other important topics include text control and layout, message determination, and setting up purchasing groups and organizations. Invoice Verification is 10% and focuses on logistics invoice verification and settlement. This medium difficulty area requires about 10 hours of study and is assessed through scenario-based tasks. You will learn to process incoming invoices, handle credit memos and subsequent debits, and manage invoice variances and blocking with release procedures. The domain also covers evaluated receipt settlement and GRIR account maintenance and clearing to ensure financial alignment with logistics. Sources of supply carries 7% and deals with identification and management of supply sources. This medium difficulty domain takes around 6 hours of study and is assessed conceptually and with scenarios. You will work on source list management, quota arrangement setup, and source determination logic and priorities for automated sourcing decisions. The syllabus also covers supplier evaluation and selection criteria and how strategic sourcing integrates with procurement processes. Enterprise structure and business processes is 7% and focuses on organizational hierarchy and global settings. This easy domain requires about 6 hours of study and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessments. You will define company codes and plants, configure storage locations, and understand purchasing organizations whether central or plant-specific. The domain also covers assignment of organizational units and cross-plant and cross-company code structures that affect procurement flows. SAP S/4HANA user experience is 7% and emphasizes the user interface and Fiori application management. This easy area needs about 5 hours of study and is assessed conceptually and with scenarios. You will learn navigation in the SAP Fiori Launchpad, the differences between transactional, analytical, and fact sheet apps, and how to personalize apps and assign business roles. The syllabus also includes Fiori technical catalogs and groups along with the UI technologies used in SAP S/4HANA. That wraps up the syllabus breakdown. Use the domain weights and estimated hours to build a study plan. Focus first on the 13% domains and then balance the 10 and 7% areas, and practice with scenario and hands-on exercises for the harder topics. Good luck with your preparation and study smart for the exam.